Welcome guys to my channel, and I would like to show you why this is happening. So for the 100th time, as I'm working in Maya, I encountered these problems, and just yesterday I encountered one more time, and I just decided right now to film it actually and to make a video out of it. So maybe it helps anyone who has a similar issue in the future. As I was saying, while doing the beveling on this specific object, because we would like it to be like that. So let's just delete that one and duplicate this just like that. Yeah. So we want to have bevel on this, right? And you would get that. So why would this happen? You might ask yourself. The thing is pretty much probably with the normals, or if it's with some duplicated vertices, which you can easily check by pressing 3 on the keyboard. So to switch to smooth preview, and if something is wrong, you will have something like this, but that's not the case. So the model is perfectly fine, except still you do this and it doesn't work. So one thing that you can do to fix it is actually to freeze the transformations, which is a shortcut I have, Ctrl+Shift+F. And now if you try and replicate the same action, it will actually work, but the translation here would be lost. So if you're wondering if you can do the same without losing your translation in here, all you can do is pretty much like kind of imply a reset to it by deleting a face, bridging the opposite edges here, and translations remains the same. Now we can apply another bevel and it will work. So that's the way in which Maya works, which makes it sometimes very tricky. Or you can just open Blender. You can get the same model. Now, selecting edges, obviously, either like this, not like this. It won't select everything, you see, by Alt-Z to have the transparency. This is something I learned just in the past months as I'm learning Blender as well. So, or pressing A and Ctrl+B, you might get to have the bevels on the model just as fine without no additional tricks. But yeah, that's it. So I hope this is helpful to whoever runs into problems like these, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.